outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Merry Christmas, everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Today is my annual video. I've been doing this video probably for like 9, maybe 10 years. Like, it's been a long time. I feel like if I didn't do it this year, which I almost didn't, I was like, oh, I'm probably getting too old for this. But you know what? I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it, just because if I didn't do it, I would be mad at myself and be like, oh, why didn't I do it this one year? So today I'm doing my annual What I Got for Christmas video. Christmas was so special this year. We spent time with Ian's family here in Utah, and then this next week we're going up to California to see my family, so we'll have a little bit of a Christmas later with them. But it was just so wonderful to be with family and just enjoy the holidays and enjoy our last few moments here in this house, because we're actually moving in like 2 days and I'm so sad. But I wanted to quickly film this video and just show you guys what I got for Christmas 2021. I just personally love to watch like what other people got, and I just, you know, hauls are super fun. So this is my little Christmas haul, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you remember the true meaning of Christmas and remember Christ's birth and we're able to celebrate him. Without any further ado, let's hop into this video and let's do this Christmas haul. Let's go.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Alright, we're gonna start with stocking stuffers. So the first thing I got was some socks, which I'm currently wearing right now. I also got some massage oil, which is pretty cool because I am always asking Ian for massages because I'm always like in neck and back pain, so thank you, Ian. The next thing I got was this really cute little nail manicure set. It's super cool. It has all these different little manicure pieces for doing your nails. I also got some face masks, a foot mask, a hand mask, all the masks you could ever need. Moving on, my in-laws gave me some Jenga game pieces. I actually love Jenga, so this was super fun. I haven't ever had my own set to myself, and this is actually like a Scooby-Doo version, and it comes with like a little die, and it's like super cool actually. So I love games. We play games like all the time, so this is really good for our game collection. The next item I got was this little SD card, and it's not little actually in any means. It's the biggest SD card I've ever gotten, which is 400 gigabytes. This is going to be a game changer. I always use SD cards. That's like literally my job. I use them with my job. So this will be extremely helpful, so I'm very grateful for that, so thank you. The next thing I got were some gift cards from them, so thank you so much. Starbucks, Target, they know me so well. Ian got me this really nice hair set, which I love Olaplex. If you guys know me, I've recently started my hair journey with Olaplex, and it's definitely changed my hair and my, like, the texture and my split ends. Like, I used to pick up my split ends every single day, and once I started using the number 3, like literally I don't do it anymore, and it's just been so nice and so healthy. Going along the beauty realms, I also got this Watermelon Glow Magic Mask. I am so excited. It has this facial mask. It also comes with a toner, and it comes with what's it called? Like a dropper, niacinamide. Oh, I butchered that. I'm really excited for this cute little watermelon glow kit, and I've heard this stuff smells amazing. The next thing I got were some AirPods Pro. I have never had AirPods, so I don't know what to really expect, but I'm just so excited because I've had my ones with the wire forever, and I literally, like, I hate going to the gym with them. I don't know, I just have a long wire attached to like my phone in my pocket, so this will be really nice for working out and just have in general, so I'm really excited about that, so thank you. The next item I got going along with the camera realm is a new camera backpack. I'm so happy about this. This is the Brevit camera backpack, and I actually ended up opening it a couple days early because we had a wedding a couple days before Christmas. So I opened it a few days early and used it and tried it out, and I love it, so I'm really happy about it. Also, I received the Everywhere belt bag from Lululemon. I am so pumped about this. I wanted this for a while because it just is so nice to have, you know, the little fanny pack or a belt bag around your chest. Specifically, my use is for weddings, so I can keep my extra camera batteries in here and just SD cards, and also if I go to Disneyland. Along the lines of Disney, our parents actually both chipped in and got us Disney passes, so that is very exciting, and I'm so grateful because we're going to be living in California for the next few months, and we love Disneyland. We buy tickets every time we go there, so the passes will definitely save us some money, and we're just so excited to have passes again because Disneyland is our favorite place in the world. The next and final gift of the day is this beach waiver. My in-laws got this for us, and I say for us, but it's definitely for me. Ian's not curling his hair. I got this for me, and I'm just so excited. I have seen this on TikTok for so long, and I'm like, whoa, that is so nice, because I cannot curl my hair like with a normal curling wand or iron. I guess I have to just use my wand, but I love like the beautiful beach waves curling irons give. So this one curls it for you guys. So I'll definitely keep you updated. I got the 1.5 inch or 1.25 inch, and I'm really excited, and I just can't wait to see the magic I'll create with these. Alright guys, that wraps it up for what I got for Christmas 2021. It's crazy that this year is already over. I feel like it just went by so fast, but I'm just so grateful. It was honestly such a good year, and I can't wait to see what 2022 holds. I have a feeling that it's going to be really good, and I'm just so happy and excited. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your favorite thing that you got for Christmas this year, or your favorite thing you did with your family or friends this year for the Christmas season. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys later. Bye!